Adjacent to the fast-growing Wellington Marina residential development, you will discover Gunner's Block. Situated at Lot 4003 Kelsey Road, Wellington East, South Australia. This unique property offers 800 metres of Wellington Lake frontage, suitable for houseboat moorings, which would be subject to the usual council consents. An Elmer water licence totalling 153 megalitres is currently available to irrigate the 128 hectares of unimproved pasture, which also boasts over 2 kilometres of River Murray frontage. The property is currently being harvested for native herbs and has reasonable boundary fencing featuring some electric. With extensive improvements, Gunner's Block would be suitable for all livestock grazing and intensive fodder production. For further information or the opportunity to organise a private inspection, please contact the sole selling agents at Ray White Rural SA.